Should I flush my water heater every year? The manufacturer suggests that we flush water heaters every year, but what do master plumbers think? It's kind of a regional question, and in our region, in the Kansas City area, we actually don't recommend that you flush your tank type water heater at all. The reason why is we don't really have loose sandy sediment in our water. And so we could flush the water heater every year, but it would be very non-productive, and the amount of debris that we would get out of it is very, very minimal. We're gonna show you some photos here of some water heaters that I have flushed that have not been flushed in years. And we went ahead and flushed them, and the amount of debris that we got out of it was so pointless that it just didn't make sense. It didn't make sense to pay the plumber's bill to come out and flush the heater. It didn't make sense to risk turning valves and things on the heater that may cause problems as soon as we mess with them. The amount of debris that we took out of these heaters was just not worth it. Contrary to what the manufacturer may recommend, we do not recommend flushing your water heater at all. We just don't get enough sediment and debris out of it to make it worth it.